بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Click on the link below for the online test. Adi bin Hatim I embrace Islam in 9 Hijri. Wealth obtained from a mine is liable to humus. Sadaq Eid al-Fitr has been proclaimed in the year 2 Hijri. Imam Dar al-Hijrat was a title of Imam Malik. The seal affixed on important letters by Prophet peace be upon him was in the custody of
Hazrat Khazaifa Raziyallah Ta'ala Anha.
Amin al-Umat is the title of Hazrat Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha.
Abu Abida bin al-Jarrah Raziyallah Ta'ala Anha.
River Nile was declared as Sayyid al-Antaha by Hazrat
Hazrat Umar Raziyallah Ta'ala Anha.
Masakin was the title given to one of the wives of the Prophet peace be upon him.
Hazrat Zainab bint Khuzaimah Raziyallah Ta'ala Anha.
Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him gave the key of Baytullah permanently to Hazrat
Usman bin Talha Raziyallah Ta'ala Anha.
Arafat gathering is held on 9 Zilhajj.